In this video, we will show the algebraic solution to the Keynesian model with an open economy and a government spectrum. So what are the elements of the economy? The first is consumption, which consists of autonomous consumption spending plus marginal propensity to consume times 1 minus T times Y. Investment spending, as we know, is autonomous. Government spending is autonomous. Exports are autonomous, and imports have both an autonomous plus a dependent part. So we know aggregate spending is equal to C plus I plus G plus net exports, which is the difference between exports and imports. If we replace all of these with their formulas, we have aggregate spending equal to the following function. What we know further is that aggregate spending is equal to aggregate income in equilibrium. That means Y is equal to the function above. Now we need to solve for Y. So we have Y on the left hand side, and we have Y in this factor and in this factor. So if we have Y, taking a plus C times 1 minus T Y over becomes minus C 1 minus T Y. Minus MY becomes plus MY. And what we have left is autonomous consumption spending plus autonomous investment plus autonomous government spending plus autonomous export minus autonomous imports. On the left hand side, we factor out Y. So this is 1Y minus C times 1 minus T plus M. And if you look on the right hand side, it's autonomous consumption spending plus autonomous investment plus autonomous government spending plus autonomous imports minus autonomous exports minus autonomous imports, which means on the right hand side we are left with autonomous spending. What do we do now? Y, we divide both sides with this factor of 1 minus C minus T plus M. And if we divide the left hand side by this factor, it's 1 over 1 minus C 1 minus T plus M times autonomous spending. This gives us two parts to calculating equilibrium. On the first part, we have the multiplier, which changes the slope of aggregate spending. And the second part is autonomous spending, which changes the intercept on the y-axis.